Back in early April, my old boss came back to demo a new AI tool. We were all on a Teams call. Someone asked him, "Will AI replace developers?" His answer was yes. I'd been using ChatGPT casually for years, polishing emails, asking for code snippets here and there, nothing too serious. That evening, I told my wife something. If AI is an opponent and is going to take my job, I want to understand my opponent, even if I lose to it. That's when I got serious. I started this channel. I've made 5 videos since. I still feel behind, but I'm not scared anymore. Here's what changed. I'm George, 30 years programming, currently a Salesforce developer. This is my AI intern. Let me back up to that demo. My old boss came back to the company and showed us what Claude could do over a Teams call, since I work from home. Everyone watching was overwhelmed. Then someone asked the question everyone was thinking. Will AI replace developers? He said, yes. But then he expanded. Developers can't just write code anymore. To stay relevant, you have to evolve, become an architect, understand the business, see the bigger picture. I didn't think I would personally lose my job, but I felt something I didn't expect, a kind of pride wound. Writing code was the thing I was good at. I'd built 30 years of identity around it. And there it was, in front of me, AI doing it better, faster, more patiently than I could on a Tuesday afternoon. So that night, I told my wife something. If AI is going to take my job, hypothetically, eventually, I want to understand my opponent, even if I lose to it. I wasn't going to be the developer pretending this wasn't happening. That's the decision that started everything. I got serious. I dug into Claude at work. I tried ChatGPT for real things, not just emails. I made a YouTube channel, this one, to force myself to articulate what I was learning. 5 videos later, here's some of what I've picked up. Tools I didn't know existed before. OBS Studio for recording. Clipchamp for editing. FFmpeg for whatever else. The Windows Sound Recorder, for some reason. AI platforms I've not actually used. Claude at work, and on this channel. ChatGPT for thumbnails and writing. Google Gemini for image generation. Hugging Face for free open source video models. Techniques I didn't know were techniques. Feeding screenshots to AI when typing instructions is harder. Asking one AI to write prompts for another. Building reusable skills with slash commands. Scheduling those skills to run while I'm asleep. I didn't plan any of this. I just kept making the next video. The learning came from the doing. Here's what surprised me most, though. AI didn't turn out to be the opponent I expected. The thing I thought I'd lose to, it became something else entirely. When I first started, I had a simple frame. AI is a teacher when I'm learning, and an intern when I'm assigning work. Sometimes I'm the student, sometimes the manager, sometimes the mentor. A few months in, my list keeps growing. AI is a teacher, an intern, a mentor, a consultant when I need expert input, an advisor on questions I would otherwise avoid, a friend, sometimes for a casual chat, and maybe most importantly, an inspiration to keep learning. I want to be honest about something. I still feel behind. Every week, there's a new AI tool I haven't tried. Horizontally, more platforms touching more areas. Vertically, new versions that are noticeably better than the ones I just got used to. A few months in, I'm still behind. I will probably always be behind, but the feeling is different now. When I started, behind felt like fear, like the world was leaving me. Now, behind just feels like there's more to learn, not a threat, a horizon. If you are a developer right now, or any kind of knowledge worker, and you're feeling what I felt back in April, here's what I would tell you. You can't outrun AI. The pace is real. You won't win that race. But you don't have to. The threat dissolves when you understand the tool. Once you know what AI is good at and what it's not, the fear stops being abstract. It becomes a thing you can work with. Pick something, anything that you've been putting off because AI scares you. Start there. Learn it badly at first. Make something. Show it to someone. The act of doing is what changes everything. The best time to learn AI was many years ago. The second best time is now. That's what this channel is. 5 videos so far of me figuring out AI in public. If watching me figure it out helps you do the same, subscribe. New videos as I learn. Drop a comment and tell me about the moment AI scared you, or the moment you stopped being scared. I want to hear other people's version of this. I'm George. This is my AI intern. See you in the next one.